Hello again, YouTube. SPD all the way here, bringing you a Lego tutorial. I'm going to be showing how to make a Lego coffee maker and a Lego blender. Perfect if you're doing a kitchen scene or something and you want a couple detailed background images or something, or even you're going to use them in a stop motion, or if you just want to build them for fun. Okay, first the coffee maker. Let me take it apart. Oh, for God's sakes. Alright, I'm just gonna say it. Here. Alright. You need 2 1 by 1 1 by 1 regular studs. They gotta be big. I didn't have 2, I used just one of, let's see. I used one of these, a traffic light thing. But you should probably use 2 of those. Then for the base you need 1 by 2, and then put a 1 by 2 over the top of the other stud, and then just put a coffee cup right here, and you got a coffee maker. Alright, onto the blender. It's just 3 easy pieces. You need a clear cylinder, a slanted brick, push a button, blend it, something like that. And then if you have a 1 by 1 piece, a flat tile or a stud, you could use that, but this is all I had, because I'm very short on Legos. I don't have a lot. So, yeah. And then put that on, and there you go. And you know what? I'm going to throw in a little bonus extra thing here. Spray paint can. All you need is a little nozzle or something, preferably gray, and then, any type of cylinder color, green, brown, orange, anything you can find, and then, spray paint can. So, yeah, there you go. There you go. Coffee maker, blender, and spray paint can. There you go. So long.